Look, Caleb.
Yeah. I think it's true. You said that one high.
That's awesome.
Yeah. But yours is going even higher. I hope it doesn't hit the
Kellen,
sun.
you're great to make us feel good. You have a line set up.
Okay, get the line up. Okay, on pad number 4,
Romy, yours.
Yeah. Ready? Come here. Good luck. Yeah.
Still went a long way. We need to cut even more out of that chute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fire!
I can't even see it.
Yeah.
Oh, gotta keep an eye
I
on it.
see it.
Oh, it's going head first.
My God.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, I think parachute did not open.
Parachute?
Nope, the chute didn't open. Your rocket's gonna die right
Oh.
there.
You can have a lawn dart. Where is it? Yeah, I don't see the
I see it. It opened the parachute. Oh. I saw it. It opened the parachute.
Okay, let's go.
You see, Romy?
I thought it opened the parachute though.
What?
It opened the parachute.
It did? Okay. I don't spot it. Where do you see it, Romy?